How to mark messages or emails as unread on AOL Mail. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can mark messages or emails as unread on AOL Mail. Now, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your AOL Mailware and let this load up. You should get an interface somewhat like this. Simply tap on the inbox option that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. You can see home, and beside it you can see inbox. Now while you open up the app, by default it will be on home, so you make sure you are on inbox. Now here you can see I have a single mail and another one ad. Now to mark messages as unread or to mark your email as unread, it's quite simple. Simply tap and hold on the mail that you wish to mark as unread. You can select multiple mails similarly by tapping if you have other mails as well, and at the bottom of your screen you can see delete, archive, move and mark as unread option there. Simply tap on mark as unread option and it will be marked as unread. So this way you can easily mark messages or emails as unread in AOL Mail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.